Let me show you several examples to illustrate that Scrivener did not merely slavishly follow the King James Version, but rather attempted to reflect the family of printed editions of the TR as utilized by the King James Version translators. Acts 19, verse 20. In the King James Version, Acts 19:20 reads, "So mightily grew the word of God and prevailed." The key phrase here is the term, the word of God. If you look this up in the Greek text of Scrivener at Acts 19:20, in the corresponding place where the King James Version is rendered as the word of God, it reads, halagos to kuriou. If Scrivener here was just back translating the King James Version into Greek, we would expect it to read halagos to theou and not halagos to kuriou. Scrivener's text instead follows the family of printed TR editions. This is the reading found in Stephanus and Beza. Nestle-Aland 28 follows a variant here. The King James Version translation is not necessarily inaccurate here, but again allows for a unique variation for the translation of the term kurios, choosing to use God rather than Lord. And in fact, if you read the preface to the King James Version, they say that they're going to use variety. They're not going to use the same English word for the same Greek word in every place. And so they're true to that translation philosophy.